This video is for customers wanting to learn how to access current and supported previous versions of Autodesk products in Autodesk account. To download the current version of your product, click on Products and Services after signing in, and click on the product you want to install. Remember, if you have a version already installed, it's best to uninstall before this process to avoid any issues. As a benefit, you have the right to access previous versions of products up to 3 versions back in most cases. You can always tell which previous versions are supported because they'll be available in the version drop-down menu. If a version doesn't appear, then it's not a supported version. To activate your product, click on Activation to see which method you use. Either enter a serial number or just sign in with your Autodesk ID and password. Choose your version, platform, and language to download and install what you need. While accessing previous versions is a great benefit, we recommend using the latest version of your product for the best user experience. To learn more about previous version rights and what kind of support we provide for previous versions, visit the Autodesk Knowledge Network.